What's up, YouTube? Mr. Agnos here. Tomorrow is the first day of school for distance learning, so I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can get to my class when you need to be there. Okay, the first way that you can get to my classroom when you need to is by going to your Google Classroom. I teach 3 different classes, Math 8, Math 7, and Computer Coding. So when it comes time for your class, go to the correct Google Classroom. Underneath the title, there will be a meeting link. About 2 minutes before class, click on the link and you will be in my classroom. That's method number 1. Method number 2. If you go to your Homelink account, you will notice that teachers have linked up all of their Google Classrooms and meeting links on the far right-hand side. So just go ahead, click on Join Meeting. So I'm just going to use Math 8 first period as an example. When it's about 8:58 tomorrow morning, if you're in my first period math class and you want to use this method, you come to your Homelink summary page and you click on this button right here, and that will take you into the meeting. So that is method number 2. And the third way that you can get to my Google Classroom is via the Pine Hollow's main website. We have a great document that Mr. Campopiano has put together. He calls it his one-stop shop, and it is located right here. So if you go ahead and click on this link, it'll bring up a Google document that has every teacher in the school. Now, my last name is Agnos, so I happen to be the first one listed, but you can see that every teacher in the school is listed on here. And this is a great general resource for all your classes. So I'll go back to mine, since I'm the first one listed, and you will see that I have 3 links on here for meetings. So if you're in my Math 8 class, whatever day and time your class is, about 2 minutes before, click on this link right here. If you are in my Math 7 class, about 2-3 minutes before class, you may click on this link right here. And if you are in my computer coding class, whether it's coding 1 or 2, then you're going to go ahead and click on this link right here. Notice that this website also has all the links to my Google Classrooms right there, and links to my 8th grade and 7th grade Google sites. So links all over the place. This is your third way that you can get to my class. So I don't care which method you use. Again, all the links are the same. The reason we provided so many different options is because people are still working out technical issues. Not everyone has access to their Google accounts yet, and so on. So we wanted to give you as many different doorways to get to your class when you need to. Okay, so that is 3 different ways to get to my class tomorrow for the first day of school. If you have any questions, please call me. You're not going to call me. You're going to email me at agnosp@mdusd.org. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, hit the notification bell, and I have attached a link to my welcome video. Please watch my welcome video. It sort of describes just in general how I'm going to teach all my classes this year. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.